Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to invite a friend on the Sunrise Village application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's my village, and if you want to invite a friends or other friends, click to the two line at the upper bar on the screen, go to the settings icon, and here go to the search section, the invite next to the data, and here you can check the 2 point. One, invite friend, to your friend joins the game, and fill the bear and claim more rewards. If you want to invite one, click to the invite button, but you can use that in level 8. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.